Hey there, I'm Jordy Starling, and you've been selected to be interviewed remotely in a remote video shoot. And this video is designed to give you an orientation into how that process is going to go so that you have all of the information so you're ready to go for the shoot. So let's get started. So this process is designed to be pretty simple for you so that we don't take too much resources and time out of your busy schedule. And it's a lot more turnkey and easy for you. So you'll be sent the question list, which you can review. And if you have any questions, just send it back to us. But it's designed in a certain structure so that we tell a story, and it's pretty universal for all customers. And then currently we're probably working on a schedule with you to schedule in the shoot time for it. It's not going to take a lot of time out of your schedule. It usually takes about 10 minutes at the beginning of the call just to set up the shot, as well as go through some of the questions and get you comfortable before we start shooting, which usually takes anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. So you're probably looking at 45 minutes for the shoot, maximum an hour. So the way that we're going to be doing the shoot is actually through your smartphone. That's because everyone has a smartphone. The quality is fantastic, and it's better than the quality of, say, a webcam on your computer. And I will be using an app, which I'll take you through in a moment. But basically, I will be connecting in through your phone, where I can press record on your phone. It starts recording and uploading the file to me in high quality. And this is better than using something like Zoom or Teams because we may have connectivity issues or bandwidth issues. One of your tasks, though, is to pick a suitable location within your office or your home where you'll be shooting this interview. And we want to pick a place that obviously is quiet, has sufficient lighting, and doesn't have a lot of distractions, say, in the background. So if you have a nice clean office backdrop, then that's great to use. We want enough lighting coming in from, say, natural lighting from a window or a nice bright room. We don't want a lot of top-down lighting that's going to come down from, say, pot lamps and then give you shadows under the eyes. So we want some sufficient lighting that's going to come in and hit your eyes, give you a twinkle in the eyes, something like that. So these cameras, these smartphones, just love natural light and lots of light, and then you're going to get a nice crisp image out of that. When it comes to clothing, obviously wear something that is less distracting again, something nice and even coloring, nothing with lots of tight stripes or patterns in it. And go ahead and use, say, a shirt with a logo from your company, but not really a logo from anything else. Just think nice and simple and plain. So here's how we'll do the recording. You'll be sent a link in an email to an app called Riverside. What I suggest is that you open it on your phone, and I'll show you how you go through the steps. So you're going to click on the link to open up the app. You'll have to install the app on your phone if you don't already have it installed. Right off the bat, you're going to put in your name and click Next. And right away, you're going to see yourself in the shot. So you're going to press Join, and then it goes to full screen, where you can now see the person that's interviewing you as well as yourself. Then you will prop up the camera to where you think is a decent shot and sit back, and then the person that's interviewing you is going to conduct the interview. They'll press record on the other end, and then you don't have to worry about uploading the file afterwards. Whoa, this is kind of weird right now. So the shoot's as easy as that. But I will leave you with this. When we're doing the shoot, it's important to understand that not the whole world's going to see this, just people who have clicked on this video because they're genuinely interested in what you have to say. So during the shoot, you'll be directed to be charming, be yourself, be energetic, and just be casual about the whole thing. It's very much a one-to-one conversation. Once again, thanks for agreeing to be on this shoot, and we look forward to seeing you on camera.